Wow, Maya! Ang ganda talaga dito. I had no idea na ganito pala kaganda yung Barrobo.
Oo, Ana. Para siyang hidden paradise eh. Marami pang hindi nakakaalam dito. That island over there, yung Turtle Island, sanctuary siya ng mga sea turtles and super worth it puntahan.
Sea turtles? Amazing! May iba pa bang islands na pwede natin puntahan?
Ay, meron! Yung Cagban Island, yan din yan. White sand beaches, tapos crystal clear ang water. Perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Tapos meron din tayong Vanishing Island. Sandbar siya na nag-a-appear lang pag low tide.
Vanishing Island? Wow, parang magic! Pero yung inland, may nakikita rin ba doon?
Siyempre, meron tayong Bugak Cold Spring. Refreshing natural pool, perfect for cool down pag mainit. Tapos yung Beto Lagoon, yung turquoise water niya, sobrang ganda. Di mo makakalimutan. Tapos meron din tayong pagbutuan ng cave for those na mahilig sa spelunking.
Lagoons, caves, beaches. Grabe, complete package pala ang Barrobo. Tapos yung river.
Yung Barrobo River, isa sa pinakamalinis na river na makikita mo. Nag-wind siya through the town, dagdag sa natural beauty. Tapos yung mga tao dito, sobrang welcoming. You'll feel right at home.
Well, that's great to hear. I'm already planning my next trip. How easy ba pumunta dito?
Barrobo is accessible by land from major cities in Mindanao. Tapos madami na yung accommodations dito, so makakahanap ka ng perfect place to stay.
Special talaga ang place na to. Thank you, Maya, for showing me around.
You're very welcome, Ana. Barrobo is a place na kailangan mong experience para maniwala. I hope you'll tell others about your hidden paradise.